And they say they love America, but they hate that motherfucker in the White House. I love America, and I hate that motherfucker in the White House. Honk if you hate Trump. Yo, I'm out here trying to find me some integrity, fairness, and service. I'm in Baltimore County, the county where I live in. I'm just looking at the police car. Looks like he left his lights on. This is the Honk If You Hate Trump. Honk, honk. Honk If You Hate Trump.com car. We've been around the world, and now we back. Love to the black. Yeah. We love America, but we hate Trump.